Now Valentine is coming.
Peace.
So basically what he said is what we are going to be doing for Valentine is fasting and prayer. So imagine somebody you just started dating. I mean, we've never started dating up to a month.
You have to commit the relationship to the Lord.
Welcome back to another episode of our Cheer series, where we get to talk about ourselves, our opinions, what we think about different topics. And today we are going to be talking about our first Valentine together and how it went, how it almost stopped the relationship that has not even started. So we're going to be talking about that today. I'm sure you will enjoy today's episode. So grab your popcorn, grab your drink, grab a smoothie if you have any, and come enjoy today's episode with us. So over to you, sir. How would you say
Oh my goodness.
the Valentine went? What was your opinion? What was your take on the Valentine?
Oh, that reminds me. So it's Valentine's season. I should be wearing red, or we should be wearing red. For some bizarre reason, we are not wearing red. It did not even occur to us. Anyways.
This is the part where we say, now Valentine is coming.
Peace.
Okay, ignore us.
Forget, I can sing. If you're singing, you're seeing amazing bars. But no, now. Anyways, the Valentine that almost stopped our relationship. For different people, I think they view Valentine differently, and it's even more different when you have two people who intend to be or who are in a relationship and who do view Valentine quite differently.
Mm-hmm.
For us, that's a story. That's a story. I mean, we have so many things alike, but yet so many things apart, or should I say quite different from each other's view.
And that's why you tend to see that, how do they say it?
Opposite terms attract.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, unlike terms attract.
And that's why you tend to hear a lot of people say one's strength and one's weaknesses. When two people come together, they're supposed to complement themselves. So you're supposed to have your strength complementing my weakness and my strength complementing your weakness.
Well, the Valentine strength almost broke the relationship that has not started yet. So you already know the background story, how we met and how everything worked out, and we were kind of like dating. Were we really dating at that period?
We just started dating because we started dating in the month of January and Valentine was in February. So
interesting. I'll pretend I have the dates at heart. Anyways.
For those of you who have not watched episode 1 and episode 2 yet, you are missing. So go and catch up, go and binge watch those episodes because it is amazing. So I will leave a link in the comment section and also in the description box to make you get access to it easily and you're not stressed yourself. So please do watch it.
Okay, they're interesting, I promise you. Anyways, so today's discussion in the spirit of the Valentine. So Valentine was forthcoming, and my idea of Valentine is something somebody somewhere made up for marketing purposes. That's my bias. And you don't want to ask what the woman's bias of Valentine is.
Mm-mm. Well, I feel like Valentine's Day, whatever you want to refer to it as, is a time where you get to celebrate with somebody that you love. So it could be different things. You could go on a date, you could hang out, you could, if you're married, do the married stuff. And it's just time to show love, basically. So gifts, presents, everything you want to do, you do it in excess.
So what's your bias towards Valentine?
Honestly,
please drop it in the comment section.
Yeah, so like, do you celebrate Valentine or you don't celebrate Valentine? Or you're like me, who love love? I love love. So are you like me, who would like gifts, you like presents, or you're like someone else who does not mind and it's like every day of the year? Because I know some people say Valentine's Day is every day of the year and we get to celebrate it every day of the year. You don't need a specific day dedicated for Valentine. What's your thoughts? We'd love to hear it in the comment section.
So, knowing our biases, I was speaking to her one evening, we were on call, and I said to her, oh, did she say to me Valentine is forthcoming? And we're like, what are we supposed to do? she was like, we are supposed to do Valentine stuff. I was like, of course not. These are people just building an industry on you. And I was like, see, what I do traditionally for Valentine is I fast and pray.
Not that he said what he does traditionally. So basically what he said is what we are going to be doing for Valentine is fasting and prayer. So imagine somebody you just started dating. I mean, we've never started dating up to a month.
You have to commit the relationship to the Lord.
We've never started dating up to a month. And you have a time where lovers get to celebrate things together. And you're telling me to fast and pray.
So what about every other day of the year? Lovers get to what? Go to war. We ride at dawn or something.
Obviously not. But it is a time of the year where it's just, I don't know, what people do together during that time of the year. And then your thoughts was, let us fast and pray. I honestly thought he was joking. To be honest, I thought he was joking. And on Valentine's Day, Chingbai, I did not see anything. No presents. Nothing relating to, oh, it's Valentine's Day, happy Valentine or something. Oh, let's go hang out, let's go do this. My guy did not do anything like that. Like he was practically fasting and praying.
I honestly thought she was taking me seriously, like literally. And so when I said to her, we will fast and pray this Valentine, she did not object. She took it like, oh, yeah, he meant it, he said it. Or he said it, he meant it. Well, ironically, the reverse was the case. She didn't take it, well, I didn't know how she took it. So it was Valentine's Day. And I did not plan for anything. I did not plan with him for anything. Probably she was waiting for out of the blues surprise.
Of course. I mean, who says you're going to be fasting and praying on Valentine's Day?
Well, the Hollywood movie. Okay.
So I actually thought he was joking. Like, you know, when you don't want to show yourself yet and you were just trying to pull some pranks and just, you know, surprise your partner on Valentine's Day or
surprise!
Or on any other day, whatever the occasion may be. I actually thought he was joking. So I didn't take him serious when he said we're fasting and praying on Valentine's Day.
Well, here comes the D-Day, Valentine's Day, and she called me asking me, what's up, what are we doing? I said, what do you mean? Are you pulling my legs? Now she thought I was pulling her legs. I thought she was pulling my legs. And she said, no, it's Valentine's Day, we just started dating, am I doing something? I said, no, but I told you we will be fasting and praying on the day, which is today. Are you not fasting and praying? Because I was surprised. She was surprised from her own end. And she responded, what did you say?
I was like, who fasts on Valentine's Day, please?
Children of God.
I was honestly shocked and angry. Yes, I was honestly shocked and angry.
And I was surprised she was angry.
And I was very disappointed because I was like, okay, so this is like my first Valentine with you. I wanted it to be memorable. I wanted it to have good memories.
Instagram generation. Oh.
And just something to remember. But no, it wasn't that way. And what then happened? Because I think he had to pay up when he told his siblings about about what he had said and what he had proposed for Valentine's Day. His siblings were disappointed with him.
Yeah, because there was an argument. It was a back and forth on who is right. I told you, yes, you told me, but I didn't think you were serious. Why wouldn't you think I'm serious? I said it seriously. No, it seemed like a joke. Yeah, went to the court of public opinion and we took it to our siblings, my siblings, and I asked them, this is the situation. I told my girlfriend as at the time that Valentine's Day will be fasting and praying, and she didn't object. Here comes the day, and she's saying, why wouldn't you do what every other person does? It's our first Valentine. Why is it not nice? So we are just supposed to be in the house doing what? Looking at each other. I was like, I'm surprised she's not fasting and praying. God forgive her. So my siblings are like, are you for real? I'm like, yes, I'm surprised you guys are not surprised at her. They said, no, that you couldn't do that. But I did. And we just had the back and forth, and I was insisting on my points. But there again, it is what it is. So I more or less agreed. Then we decided to make up and did something else afterwards. But that Valentine's Day, there was no activity in my mind. It was unto the Lord or something. Unto the Lord. But let me tell you, haven't learned my lessons. After that Valentine, I don't take it lightly. I don't take it like it almost broke or ended what has not started.
Yeah.
So after that one, I don't take it lightly. Like I go arm and leg out to make sure the Valentine's thing is done. And I wish it's just that one for the year. But yeah, after the Valentine's Day, they come back to my own philosophy. Every day should be Valentine.
Of course.
Every day should be a day to show love. Then why separate one day to show love? Then show the love every other day.
It's like, why separate one day to celebrate Christmas?
Why separate one day to celebrate Christmas? I've not thought about it. Anyway, I'm not dating the Lord. When I do, I'll think about it.
But you're part of the people that sing, I'm married to Jesus, Satan, leave me alone.
I don't know what to say.
Exactly.
I don't know what to say.
Anyways, guys, it's Valentine's season, and if you have a loved one, if you have a wife, a husband, a partner, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, and even your friends, please don't leave them out. What do you have planned for Valentine? I'm using side eye to look at somebody so that somebody will get the cue. Anyways, it's Valentine, and this is the part where you sing now. Valentine is coming.
Where is your boyfriend? You are sleeping alone. You are so alone. No, I couldn't say that.
Okay,
But
so
anyways.
ignore the voices. And what ideas do you have for Valentine? Please do leave them in the comment section. I want to get cues from you, because I don't know what to do for Valentine. I'm sure somebody does not know what to do for Valentine either. So do leave your ideas in the comment section. What do you have planned? What are you thinking about? What do you think should happen?
Yeah, and I think also, please do share your weirdest Valentine ever. Please do share in the comment section. Let's read and have fun as well.
Exactly, the good, the bad, the ugly.
And mind you, in the spirit of gender equality, I want to believe Valentine is not gender biased. We want gender equality on Valentine's Day. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you haven't liked, please do subscribe and share. Okay.
And we will see you on the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.